chaos reigns. Map in his hand, no lines remain. God is nature, all things the same. We are but modes in infinite flame. 6 days rise like the sun on stone. Dust and steel, where seeds were sown. No chosen people, no holy land. Just infinite substance, shifting sand. One substance moves, no size, no fate. Victory and loss on nature's state. The gods don't care for a Baptist prayer. War's just motion in the open air. The general's whisper, who leads us now? He speaks of peace, but arms the plow. Defend your ground, but know it's none. We're but fragments of the setting sun. Tanks roll forward like waves at sea. No enemy, no victory. The soldiers fight as nature must. As Spinoza's God doesn't care for dust. One substance moves, no size, no fate. Victory and loss on nature's state. The desert groans, the sky turns red. The land belongs to the living and dead. He stands in silence, warplanes hum. Divine or not, the war will come. He sees no borders, no tribes or claims. All are equal in existence's names. 6 days pass, was it victory's cost? Did they win the land, or was it lost? Spinoza shrugs, his doctrine clear. Conflict's illusion, for God is near. God is the bullet, God is the shield. God is the blood that soaks the field. No conquerors here, no righteous crawl. Nature takes sides, no sides at all. One substance moves, no size, no fate. Victory and loss on nature's state. The desert grows and borders run. But Spinoza's size was truly won. The tanks stop rolling, the dust descends. The loss of the general, war to end. No victor crown, no battle song. In nature's eyes, we all belong. The tanks stop rolling, the dust descends. Philosopher, general, war to end. No victor crowned, no battle song. In nature's eyes, we all belong.